First steps in the blizzard of 2013.
Don't. It's obnoxious one. Oh, can you even see?
He's gonna test it out, make sure we. Oh, he had to pee bad, huh?
Peeing on the porch. Okay, Franco. Hold on. I don't know if I can make it down the stairs.
Oh shit. What happened?
We gotta plow. I mean plow. We gotta.
He doesn't like
He doesn't like it. He's coming for safety. He doesn't like it at all. Poor kid.
Oh, it's always.
My baby. Oh. He's trying though. It's like, where am I supposed to poop? There's nowhere to poop. Oh my God, it's just coming out. Look at.
Holy shit.
He had to poop so bad. It's probably not the best place to go, but.
Let's really go for it. You know where it is.
Go ahead. Can I have the shovel? Go ahead.